Hey folks, Tom DiGregorio, founder of AquaGuard Foundation Solutions. You know, one of the questions we get asked all the time is, how much does foundation repair cost? In fact, it's one of the most commonly searched terms on the internet, and it's a great question to ask, but not an easy one to answer. Until a true professional comes out and assesses the situation, nobody's going to really know. But here's the cost of not doing anything about it can be a lot more. Quite honestly, these problems never get better by themselves, and typically they can get worse over time, which can definitely cost you more in the long run. To have us out to give you a completely free, honest evaluation as to what your problem is and what your problem isn't costs you nothing. Then at least you have the peace of mind of knowing what you're dealing with and then can budget accordingly. I can tell you a lot of people are really quite surprised at the cost not being anywhere near as much as they thought it was. They think it's my foundation, it's big, it's important, it must be expensive to fix. A lot of times they aren't, and sometimes they are. But if they are, doing nothing isn't doing anything but taking your biggest investment and really putting it in jeopardy. So do yourself a favor and have us out for a full and honest evaluation and let us give you back your peace of mind.